Most new cameras come equipped with both automatic and manual focus features. And in my mind, it's important to have both because there are times when having the automatic focus, really saves you a lot of time and trouble and can ensure that you've got the sharpest focus. As you can see here on my camera, there is a switch on the side which will allow you to control whether you're using automatic or manual focus. So when you have it on the automatic setting, there's not much you need to do besides focus on or get your image in your viewfinder. And with this camera, you push the shutter button halfway down and it'll put your image in focus, and then you push it all the way down and it'll take the image. Now, if you were going to switch it to the manual focus feature, you have to use the focus ring found on the top of the camera. When you get into using this, you're definitely using manual focus, and it's very important. I find a lot of times when I'm in low light situations that the automatic focus just doesn't work because it's not picking up enough of a subject. But it's also important to use manual focus if you're trying to make things stand out by having them in focus or out of focus. And it's also important to consider your depth of field when you're talking about focus, because not only do you control focus with your focus ring, but the amount of depth of field you have is going to determine what images or what objects and subjects in your photograph could even be in focus. So an important part to understanding focus is understanding your depth of field as well, because if your aperture only allows for a small portion of things to be in the depth of field, you're only going to be able to focus on those things. So I encourage you to use the manual focus and get more comfortable with it. And of course, always keep your camera steady, and that's going to help you get a strong, sharp image as well.